Yummy, Sammy.
Hi everyone, this is Sammy. Today we are going to make soy sauce bibimbap. 오늘은 간장소스 비빔밥을 만들어 볼 거예요. Bibimbap is representative Korean dishes. It is mixed rice with vegetable. 비빔밥은 한국의 대표 음식으로 밥과 야채를 함께 비벼 먹는 거예요. Normally Koreans have bibimbap with hot pepper paste, but for some people who can't eat spicy food, it could be a little difficult food to try. 보통 한국 사람들은 고추장을 넣은 비빔밥을 먹는데요. 매운 음식을 못 먹는 사람들에게는 먹기 어려운 음식일 수 있어요. So this time, I'm making bibimbap with soy sauce, so kids and some foreigners could have it without difficulty. 그래서 오늘은 아이들이나 외국인들도 어렵지 않게 먹을 수 있는 간장소스 비빔밥을 준비했습니다. Let's get started! 시작해봐요. Every vegetables could be the ingredients. Cook the rice first. I'm using the rice cooker. Dried anchovy and dried kelp. 1 cup water. A small sized half onion. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. And 1.5 tablespoons sugar. Over high heat. And boil it. After this, you will have very tasty soy sauce. When it's boiling, turn to the medium-low heat. 2 minutes after boiling, take out the anchovy and a kelp. Boil another 4 minutes. And we're done. Many people use minced beef or cut the beef very thinly for the bibimbap, but I like the meat texture so much, so I'll cut it thick. But you can slice it thin if you want. I just can't live without meat. Kinda like born meat person. Let's make cuts on the meat to marinate well and to be soft. I like this part. It really helps to blow off my stress. Minced garlic. And let's marinate the beef. 1.5 teaspoons soy sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar. A bit of pepper. This one is Korean cooking wine called bibimbap, a half teaspoon. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. And mix it well. And leave it. Cutting time. Zucchini. It's like half moon shape. Carrot into the strips. Why is this cutting board moving? Is it my fault or my stupid cutting boards? Please be my side. Slice the onion. Good cutting, isn't it? Cut the lettuce into bite size. Let's stir fry the vegetables and meat. Oil, onion first. A bit of salt. Next one is carrot. of course with salt. Zucchini. Salt. You don't have to do this action. I just like it. The last one is beef. It always should be the last after you finish every vegetable. I'll give you some tips. You better cover up the pan for a while when the beef is almost cooked. And you can see the moist meat. Scoop the rice and spin the rice bowl. There you go. Make the circle. My favorite time. Put the ingredients one by one nicely. The green one. The white one. Pretty yellow one. And the brown one. Do you think it's done? No? Yes, right. We have fried egg left. You know what? This is my very first time to use this tool. It's cheap and nice. Only 1,001. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. I recommend you to put 3 to 4 tablespoons soy sauce we made. Mix them all and enjoy. Having delicious food is the best cure in the world. Enjoy and see you soon!